Alright guys, so I'm gonna make some chia pudding. So here is chia seeds. This is some chocolate oat milk, and this could be like a dessert for some people. And I got frozen berries in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some chia seeds right into this. How much? Depends on how much. Oh, that's a lot. So maybe not that much, but yeah. So you want to put some of those chia seeds right in there. And it'll naturally thicken like pudding. Add the oat milk here. And the oat milk is actually naturally pretty thick, so. And we just let that sit. Pretty simple, guys. I'll do a quick taste test once it's solidified a bit, and I'll be back later. Alright, so the chia pudding is pretty much done. As you can see, it's nice and thick, so let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, it's pretty good, guys. Definitely check out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. It's got a lot of flavor from the oat milk. And yeah, it's nice and thick.